Very sorry for calling you out here. I know how hard it will be to skip your working time and answer my call. But if Nanya, we really need to talk. You.
Okay, sir, no problem. You can go ahead.
I love you.
Listen, boy, I understand that you love me, but I don't see you that way. You're like a brother to me, and I respect that about you.
What will I do now to make you feel or know that I'm very serious about this?
You don't have to do anything, except you want me to start staying away from you.
Oh my God.
By the way, I need to go. My madam will be looking for me now.
Baby, madam nabi, I'm every man's choice. I don't want classic in fashion.
Hi. What have I just done? I moved so fast. Oh my God. Okay, what should I do now?
I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love.
I know you're angry. Yes, I know. I'm going to talk to my brother and he's going to give me a lesson here.
Calm down for what? No, what time are you talking about? Tell me. When your brother doesn't even notice me, he doesn't even care if I exist in this palace or not. Listen, I have a class, I have a reputation to be protected. I will not stood so low to allow your brother or anybody in this palace to treat me like a piece of trash. Your brother better treat me like I want something. I won't have him insult me simply because I want to be a queen. Don't forget, I am a queen and princess in my own father's house.
Really?
Yeah.
And you should not also forget that I am a princess in my father's classic palace. My brother is a prince. Just calm down. I'm going to talk to my brother to settle with you. So what's the big deal?
Again, in this house, he better do. What are we even saying here? Do not forget that I have prominent suitors all over the world seeking, begging on the news for me to accept them. But I turned them down simply because I want to get married to your brother and make our friendship last. So your brother doesn't even have any right to treat me like I don't exist. Huh?
Really?
Yes.
You have some suitors on the new begging you to marry them. And here I am, walking you into the royal family. Really? Really, Anita? Wow.
I need you to talk some sense into that your brother's skull. Excuse me.
Like, are you being serious right now? Look at this girl and trying to bring you to the family. Whoa. It's fine. It's Prince Afam's fault. What exactly are you doing? What are you doing to my friend?
Research. What exactly did your friend say that I am doing to her? For God's sake.
You are not making her feel welcomed in this house. You are not giving her attention or the feeling of making her your wife.
What? My wife? That's quite ambitious, stop it. Huh? She's not my wife. Take that back.
I don't understand. Brother, what's going on?
What do you not understand? Your friend does not have the qualities I want. A woman, she cannot be my wife.
Tell me you're joking, right?
No, I'm not joking. I'm serious.
No, this can't be. But you picked her that day and made everyone believe you're going to get married to her.
As you all wanted. It was a game. It was a game.
What do you mean? What exactly are you talking about? Tell me you're joking, right?
Well planned by all of you and well played by me. What were you expecting? I came back, the reception was here. It was beautiful. You came with your friend. Dad came with his friends. Mom was there. People were dancing. There was music. There was food. All eyes on me. Everybody was waiting and hoping that I'd pick someone. What were you expecting me to do? Disappoint you? Embarrass you? By not picking your friend? Oh, I had to do the needful. It was a game that I played to make you, Mom, Dad, and your friend happy. But now, the game is up.
No, brother. Just tell me you're joking.
I am serious. I'm not joking. Look, I have spent time with Anita. And I can tell you that she's not what I'm looking for. Listen, Barbara, if you really love me and care about my peace and well-being, just let me be. Let me find love. Okay? Let me go. Let me find love. Let me find my wife. When I find her, I would feel it. But you see, all of this manipulations by you, Dad and Mom, to have me marry Anita, it will never happen.
Brother, Anita is beautiful and educated, from a good home.
Marriage is beyond beauty. Marriage has a lot more to do than physical appearance. Barbara, I believe that we're done here. Please, if you will. Thank you very much.
This is so funny. Anita is not going to take this. Father, you can do something.
Something like what? He's your brother, and you know him too well. There is no way I can decide for him as to who he should marry. Yes, he's my son, but I cannot decide for him. Look, I'm sick and tired of you and your mom bugging me about this matter all the time. I cannot make decisions for him, so let him be.
Father, I know. I know you can't make decisions for him. But still remember, you are friends with her father, and she's my best friend. That's why I want her in the family.
The last time I checked, he's your brother. And both of you are quite close. So go and talk to him.
Dad, I have, but he ignored me.
Then there's nothing I can do about it.
Daddy, please try and do something for me.
Barbara, please!
Africa, beautiful place. Africa, our mother's land. What a beautiful people. What a beautiful place. Yeah.
You will get it hurt from me if you don't confess who bought my dress.
I'm telling you what.
Who wants to bought my shirt?
Mom, saying the truth.
My lady,
Why you shut up and start confessing, you silly girls?
I'm not
Why
the one.
did you burn my shirt? Do you know how much I bought this? This can actually buy your entire miserable life. You stupid girls, who bought my expensive shirt?
Wait. What is happening here? I mean, what is going on? Why are you ladies kneeling down?
What? What kind of stupid question is that?
Anita, my question is useful. I only want to know their offense. Unozuroshi?
No, we didn't.
You're not the one.
We didn't.
You can see how useful my question is.
And who are you in this palace? Huh?
Who am I in this palace?
Yes, who are you to talk when I'm talking?
Okay. Anita, my name is Chukudubem Chidozie. I am the special advisor, special aid, helper, messenger and follower to the prince of this kingdom. Are you okay now? Are you? What is going on here? Another useful question.
Just look at this stupid useless girls. They just bought my expensive dress and you know I bought this $6,000 in Miami. So why would they do that? Why would you get my you stupid, silly, useless girls?
I'm here. That's okay. Who amongst the both of you did this to her dress?
Who amongst you did this to my shirt?
I am here. Anita, stop it. I'm here.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah.
I am handling this.
Okay.
Speak.
My prince, I'm sorry, I'm the one. But I tried to speak, I tried to tell her, but she was filled with anger and wouldn't let me speak, my prince. It was a mistake, it wasn't intentional, my lady. I'm sorry, my lady, I'm sorry.
A mistake?
I'm sorry, my lady.
A mistake that you bought my expensive shirt? Your entire family cannot even afford it!
My lady, I'm sorry.
You're disrespecting me. I am here. And I'm handling this. Maidens, it's fine. Go back to your quarters.
Thank you.
I'll take care of it.
Baby, are you just going to let them go?
Can't
you just order the guards to kill them?
Anita, I'll order the guards to throw you out if you keep interrupting me. I am here. What happened was unfortunate. I know that you're hurt, but it's just a piece of cloth. We can get you another one. That is not enough for you to treat them the way you just did. That was a bit too much, okay? She also said it's a mistake, and she's sorry. Please, can we let it go?
That's all you have to say? That's all you have to say for my $6,000 dress? Okay! I'm going to set this palace ablaze! No way!
Hey! My prince, you can see. Now you can see. I said it. Yes, my prince.
Our prince is back.
May you live long, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, it is already 4 market days the prince returned from Australia. And we have been waiting for the royal house to call the elders for the preparation of making the prince a full-grown man by giving him the wife he picked. But up till now, we have not heard anything. So what is the delay?
I hereby denounce the wife that I have picked on my Segun and wife of the Lord. That's why you're here.
Son?
Father, I'm sorry.
What are you talking about?
Do you have issue with the girl or you don't like her anymore?
I have never liked her. She's not my kind of woman.
Excuse me?
I understand that I am the lion's heart. I understand that I am the crown prince of Amanato. But not for once has anyone asked me what I want. All you have done is foist your ideas on me. what you think is good for me. Oh, that would be nice, far from. Oh, that should be good for him. About me, mother. My orders, I'm sorry. Dad, I want to embark on a journey to find my woman, my kind of woman. One who would love me the way I want. I don't want to dwell on the existing narrative of a father and a mother finding a wife. For the prince, it's played out. How about you give me a chance to make this choice for myself? Father, I want an ambitious woman. I want a woman who is ambitious. And I'm certain that that woman is out there waiting for an ambitious man like me to come get her. Father, I want a woman who is humane, who is humble, who can tolerate people, who can carry people along. We are talking about the future queen of Amanato. It is a sensitive position, mother. I don't want a woman who has walked on soil of gold all her life. You bring a woman like that into this father's father, I can assure you that that woman is going to treat people like trash and keep them to the curb at the slightest opportunity. So, with all respect to all that is concerned, if anyone here thinks that I am going to marry Anita and make her my wife, then that individual is building castles on a sandy beach. It will not happen. I'm sorry.
I thought he chose the lady by himself.
Your Majesty, I think the prince is right. Let us allow him go ahead with his choice.
Afamefula, you have so imbibed the Western lifestyle to the extent that you have completely devalued and almost jettisoning our rich cultural heritage.
Father, any culture that imprisons one's freedom of speech and expression is no longer culture, as you put it. It is slavery, Father, and I refuse to be a slave in my own father's home.
Alpha, nobody is trying to enslave you in your father's house. Can't you see what we're doing? We mean well for you.
Then grant me my wish, Mother. Grant me my wish. Let me find my own woman. But flash an impromptu wife in front of me?
Look, Afamefula, we kept her in this palace so that both of you can get to know yourselves. Build a very sound relationship before you get married to her.
Father, we have been through this before. I have known her enough. She's been here for days now. We know each other enough. Enough to know that she's not my kind. She's not the woman that I'm looking for. Father, please, let me go out there and find my woman. I'm not asking for too much, Father. Let me go find my kind of woman. I'm willing to get to the ends of the earth to find her. And I promise you that I will bring her home. And not this one. She's not my kind.
I see. I see. Well, I am not your class. I am not your kind of woman. And I've been here trying to make things work out for us. And all you do is give me a left.
Anita, please.
Oh, please. Your Majesty. Thank you for your kind gesture. It's a remarkable one. Excuse me.
Anita. Afamefuna. You never told your dad and I that things weren't going well with you and Anita.
It is good that she leaves, but I'll stay one more night here, Mother. We'll be an extension of our foolishness.
anymore, okay? Please.
Anita, can you just hold on? My father is talking to him inside.
Fine. Let the Igwe talk to him, because that brother of yours lacks proper manner of treating a beautiful girl like me. And I can't take that, please.
Okay, Anita, please. For the sake of our friendship, let my father do the talking. Okay, just chill.
Now listen, I am so tired. Right now, I need to be in my father's house. I need some air.
Okay, it's fine. Hold on. It's fine. You at least let my driver drop you off.
No. No, thank you. I've called my daddy's driver to come pick me. No way.
Anita, there's no way you can trek down to the gate. This palace is too large for you.
I don't mind. I don't care.
Anita, you're so stubborn. What?
Oh.
Anita. What a girlfriend. Jesus.
Son, I will not stop you. I have tried my best for you as a good father. But I just hope that you will not regret your actions in the future.
I will not, Dad.
Brother, how could you? It's so unfair. How could you treat my friend like that?
Listen, Barbara, I understand your bias. I understand that you would want for me to marry your friend, but you must understand that this right here is not a business transaction. It's not some contract that I have to put my pen on and sign. No, this is about my life. My choice. My decision. This one affects me directly and I'm not going to compromise on it. I have made a choice. A very good choice. If I have to say so myself. And I'm not going back on it. I'm sorry.
Dad, Mom, I wonder why you ain't saying anything about this.
Son, you are a grown-up man and you have absolute right to your decisions. So the prerogative is yours to decide on whom you want to marry. However, I want you to know that the marriage institution is a very delicate and dicey one. Therefore, once you contract it, there is no going back. So I want you to think through your decisions thoroughly and ensure that you have made the right ones. Do you understand me?
Yes, Father.
Good. Chidozie.
Yes, Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
I am once more going to entrust my son into your hands for care. Now you ensure that he embarks on this journey safely. All right?
Okay, Your Majesty.
Make sure that he lacks nothing. When I say nothing, I mean absolutely nothing. If you need anything, don't hesitate to contact me. If there are any issues, make sure you get to me directly. Do you understand me?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Good. So, ensure that you contact your family on phone at every time. Okay?
I will, Dad.
Good. One more condition. You are going to travel with your servants, your guards, and your entourage, your complete entourage. Is that good?
It's understood, Dad.
Good. I wish you the best of luck. You're safe for your bride.
Thank you, Dad, for the approval. I really appreciate it.
Hello. Your mother is finding it very difficult to cope. Yes, I tell you. Both of you are so attached to each other, unlike your brother in the United Kingdom. Yes. We are making plans to go on vacation so as to cheer her up. Maybe we'll come back at the end of summer. All right. Hope you are fine. Okay, I love you so much. Take good care of yourself. Okay. Thank you.
My son, I've heard all you said. Actually, you know I will not force her to accept your proposal. But believe me, I will talk to her. I will do my best as a mother.
Okay, but Ma, I just want you to know that I don't want to take closeness to me for granted. I really love this girl and I want to marry her. Please help me.
This is serious. It's okay, you heard me well. I will sure have a word with her.
Yeah.
I assure you that I will talk to her. I'll do my best.
Okay.
You know what?
Okay, Ma. That reminds me, I got something for you. Why come in?
For me?
Yes. Let me bring it.
Hey, whoa. Hey! Hey! Henry!
It's nothing. So,
thank you so much.
I will be going now. I'm hoping for a positive response.
No problem. Just leave everything for me.
Okay, Ma.
I will talk to her.
Okay, Ma.
Don't worry. It will be fine. Bye-bye, yo. Customer. Hey, Makana, you seen it? Very good one, oh. How you get out? How do you think?
I'm not fine. The mosquito in that house is too much.
Abigail, but I told you to cover up yourself. Or do you want to join me in sweeping the shop?
This shop? No, here that looks like where Rat is doing meeting. No, I'll sleep there.
Alright. I'll give you some money when you're leaving so that you can get mosquito coil. Are we okay?
Okay, sister. Hey, sister. Sister.
Abigail, what is it?
Sister, that man that used to come and visit here.
Asini Nobody.
Sister, make him somebody now.
Abigail, well, it's time for you to go home, eh? Don't worry. Thank you for helping me with this.
So soon.
I will finish up. You can go. Oh, thank you.
They are now chasing me out from the shop.
Abigail, I said you should leave. Go!
Sister, wait now. Let me help you. Let me help you and clean this thing. Make this man somebody. That's my point. Make him somebody. I will help you and clean him. Come on, leave it. Let me come on, leave this place.
Abigail!
I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. You will make this man somebody. Don't worry about this life.
This overfed baby.
You have lived without him over the years. And you know how strong-willed he is. He has lived in the white man's land unattended. What makes you think that he cannot take care of himself? Now, he has the right to make his decisions because he's grown. He's a grown-up man. And there is nothing, absolutely nothing anybody can do about that. In this particular instance, he has made his decisions, and there is nothing I can do to change that. And now let me remind you, he is the prince, Tamanatu Kingdom. He is the lion heart to my throne. He has made his decisions, and I have consented to it, so shall it be.
This is Africa. This is Africa. My heritage. My mother's land. Our culture and tradition, they are unique. Our culture and tradition.
Chiwetel, the prince will be going on a journey in search of a wife. I hope you know what that entails.
Oh yes, I know.
I want you to know that this is the time for you and your men to prove beyond reasonable doubt that you can protect him and take care of his well-being.
You see, Papa, Prince Alpha Mefuna is like a general in the army, and I am the shield. I would rather die than to allow him die.
Yes.
Hey. Hey, whoa. Nai, are they going to war? Huh? Nai, speaking in military terms now. Because you don't my only eye. I don't want anything to happen to myself.
Couldn't calm down. Chidozie.
Mama,
talk to your mother.
Mama, we are not going to war. I just use that to let both of you know that I will protect him with all my life.
He will protect him with all his life. Dozie, let me tell you, if anything happens to you, I will not forgive you. Dozie one, as the prince is very important to the royal house, that's how you are important to me.
I know.
Biko, be careful. Be careful. Be careful, Biko one.
You want us to go? I couldn't listen. Both of them will come back to us. You know they are cousins. Me and the prince are cousins. They will come back to this thing. And moreover, he is doing his job. Yes.
Prince Alpha Mefuna, my son.
Daddy.
The lion heart of Amanato Kingdom. Remember all I told you.
I will, Dad.
Most importantly, remember to always keep in touch with us.
I will, Father. I promise.
The gods will go with you. You are blessed, my son.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Sir.
Mom.
I am going to miss you so much. And I pray that the gods will always be with you.
I miss you, Mom.
I miss you so much.
I'll always call you, I promise.
Sure.
Sure.
I need to miss you.
Oh, come on. I'll miss you too. I promise to stay in touch with you. I will stay in touch. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Our prince.
My honest.
Go well.
Say,
may the gods lead you.
Say.
And may you find what you are looking for.
Say, my prince, I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you very much, my elders. I really appreciate it. Yes, thank you. And I promise to stay in touch. Always. Thank you.
Go
well.
Success.
Chidozie.
My prince.
Bye, brother.
You look after the prince.
Africa, beautiful place. Africa, our mother's land. What a beautiful place. What a beautiful place. Yes.
Hello. Hello. So for
goodness. What is it, my prince?
How could I have forgotten? My wallet. I forgot my wallet. Huh? Stop the car.
Ebuka, stop the car. Stop the car!
Let's you're right.
But I thought I gave you the wallet.
Oh yes, you gave it to me quite alright. I remember you gave it to me. And then you gave it to me.
Yes, I gave it to you.
That's true. And I went through... I left it on my bed. I need to get it. I need to send one of the guards to go get it. My cards, everything. I'll read it. I need to get it.
Alright, don't worry. Let me call the princess to quickly...
No, get the guards.
Okay. Go. Alright guys, the prince has forgotten his wallet. And you guys will return to the palace and get it for him immediately. Yes, sir. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
That's good. That's good.
This is Africa.
Yes, guards, I forgot my wallet. And I have a lot, my cards and you know everything that you have in a wallet. It will not be possible for me to carry on with this trip without my wallet. So please, if I might add, I'd like for you to go and get it for me. But Chidozie and I would be here, waiting in this car. Right? Who are the people in the what? You?
Yes, sir.
Okay, both of you get in the car.
Okay, sir.
Me get it.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Quickly, be fast about it. Quickly.
Who are those in this black car? Come. You ran off without an instruction.
I'm sorry, my prince. I'm sorry.
I'd like for you to join them. I'm not sure that he'll be as fast as I want. So you join him so that you hurry them up. We'll be here waiting.
Okay, my prince.
Make it quick.
Okay, my prince.
Thank you.
Quickly.
Goodness me.
Quickly.
I'm dehydrated, you know. Water. Is there somewhere I can get cold water?
Okay. Yes, my prince.
Cold bottled water, please.
Get him a cold bottled water. Eh? Be fast about it. All right.
And please, while you're at it, I want it cold.
Yes, my prince.
It's really hot, and I don't want the ones with label. I don't trust them. Get me one without a label on it.
my prince, how? You can't see a bottled water without label in this country.
Your prince wants water that is not branded. Make it happen. It's an instruction. Get in the car. Join him. You take this car, so you make it quick. We'll be here waiting for you.
Without a label? Okay. Go and try your luck. Go. Try your luck. Go. Move it. Be fast about it. Go.
What a beautiful people. What a beautiful place. Yeah.
My prince, what are you doing?
I'm going on a trip. Move.
Are we not waiting for the gas?
Let me help. I'm going on a trip. A personal trip, not a royal trip. Are you coming with me?
What of the bottled water?
Do you want to remain here until my father gets here?
I will go with you.
Good.
I'll go with you. The bottled water, uncle.
Africa, our mother's land. What a beautiful people. What a beautiful place. Yeah.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Okay, Afam is on the phone. He wants to speak with you.
My son? Yes, my brother. Son?
Africa, our mother's land. What a beautiful people. What a beautiful place. Yeah.
I thought we left them here. Yes, they were. Where are they? Ah, my prince. They were here before. We left them here now.
Where is the prince? What's happening here?
The prince asked us to get him a bottle of water, only to return back and find out that they are no longer here.
What are you saying? Hey! Wait. Honestly, we've been fooled. I think we've been fooled. Seriously.
Oh my God! What are we going to tell His Majesty?
The car in which the bars are in, he's not even here.
What are you saying?
Look.
We need to return to the palace immediately.
Yeah, you're right. We have to go. We have to go now.
We have to go.
We have to go.
Beautiful place, Africa, our mother's land. What a beautiful people, what a beautiful place, yeah. This is Africa. This is Africa. My heritage. My mother's land. Our culture and tradition, they are unique. Our culture and tradition are unique.
My prince.
What?
I am not part of this journey. I am not part of this game you are playing.
I know you're not part of it. Just stop. Stop. Just shut up.
Hey, are you sure they are not following us? But please, where exactly are we going to?
I don't know. I need to think. I don't know.
Please, my prince. Please. How can we be driving to an unknown destination? What if we meet unknown gunmen on the road?
Well, if we meet them, you step out and you fight them. What? Are you not carrying a gun?
No. I am only a special advisor. I am not a mopo.
Choku does here. You quiet. Let me think.
Okay.
Arab nonsense! How could the prince fool all of you at the same time? Huh?
How could they even do something like that? Daddy, just calm down, okay?
Africa, beautiful place. Africa, our mother's land. What a beautiful people, what a beautiful place, yeah. This is Africa.
Is it ringing?
It's ringing, but it's not picking. What is this boy up to?
Okay, Daddy, call Chidozie. Just call Dozie.
That's a good idea.
This.
Our culture and tradition are unique.
Hello, Your Majesty.
Oh yes, we are fine. Oh, no. He said he doesn't want...
Chidozie, now consider your head off your neck if you don't bring back my son in peace.
Get up the car. Hello? My prince, is your father your majesty?
What is it? Can you imagine that? He hung the phone on me.
No! Hi. Okay, Mom, it's okay, fine. Mommy, calm down. Let me try calling them, okay, please.
And you! Now, go and look for my son. Bring him and Chidozie here. If not, your head will leave your body. I will hang your skull in front of my palace and feed your bodies to the lions. Idiots! Now, where are the rest? Where are they? Now, get up, go and look for my son.
Get my son back!
Idiots! Useless guards!
Listen to me. I'm going to push you out of this car if you don't cooperate with me. Do you understand me? We're safe. We'll get to our destination. We'll call them. Don't spoil things for me. Am I clear?
Yes, my prince.
I think we missed a turn. This is the road to a different community. Listen, you should be cooperative instead of sleeping.
I am now agile. I won't sleep again. I'm agile now. It says agile. I won't sleep again.
I am ready for the task. I know what I want as a prince. I am ready for the humiliations. Nothing can stop me, I'm determined. Nothing can quench me, I am determined. This is my heritage.
Yes, good evening. How are you? What are your rates here?
Okay, so we have a executive goes to 100,000. One royal.
Give us that royal. Royal.
Chidozie.
Okay, fam.
Behave yourself.
Okay, sir.
You were saying?
Yes, sir. Sir, we have executive room and it goes for 150,000 naira, while royal goes for 120,000 naira.
What other classes of rooms do you have here? Okay, take for example, what is the cheapest room you have here?
Yes, sir, we do. We have the cheapest one here is 20,000 naira, sir.
Air condition there for the room. As in the room, the best wrong.
Chidozie.
Oga fam.
20,000.
Yes, sir.
It must not have an air conditioner. Yeah, as long as you have a standing fan, it's fine by me. It's just somewhere to rest my head. You know, it's okay. We'll take that one. Yeah, the cheapest room.
All right.
Yeah, make out some, the receipts up. Yes, thank you very much. Give it to me to do the follow-up.
He asked me to talk to you. I think his intention is genuine. You see, looking at that young man, you know he's rich and handsome. If Naya, since you told me about how you and your sister suddenly lost your both parents and life went upside down, I felt so bad. If Naya.
Ma.
Please. I'm begging you. That young man can help you become somebody in life. Try and give him that consideration, please.
It's okay, madam. I've heard you. I'll think about it. I will.
It's okay. Let me check the soup on the fire. It's almost ready.
It's a blessing in disguise. When you look deeply, you will know. It's written all over her. Oh, her price is more than ruby.
Hello, Brafam. Brother, hello? You brother, how can you prank the guy not to go with you? You just pranked them in order not to go with you, yes. Where are you? Where exactly are you?
No. As an adult, I have the right to say that I don't want to move with an entourage.
Father has deployed men to go after you.
My point exactly. No, Dad shouldn't have gone that far. No, I'm sorry. Yes, I know I didn't tell him, but I'm an adult. Look, you're panicking too much. Listen, just tell Dad and Mom that I'm fine. Oh, Chidozie is fine too. Oh, he's okay. Just tell them that we're fine, okay?
What? Bro, okay. Tell me, I'm your sister. Where exactly are you?
What? I'm sorry, I can't do that.
Father is really worried. Please, just talk to me. Hello?
I cannot tell you where we are at the moment. It's not possible. I cannot give up my location. I have plans. All right? And I think that everybody should be understanding and support me on this one. I have plans. Please. Look, I don't... Yes? Yeah, I can hear you. It's fine, I'll do my... Can you let me talk? I'm afraid I cannot call you all the time. This might be the last time you hear from me until I get home. But just know that I'm fine. Nothing will happen to me.
Hello? Are you serious? What could be wrong? What's going on?
My prince, you are back.
I overheard your voice from the bathroom. Is everything all right?
Chidozie, pack your things. We're leaving this place.
I don't understand. You left since morning and you are here telling me that you are checking out. While we paid for 3 weeks.
You want to be here for 3 weeks so that you'll be eating. See what you have done. At this time of the day, it's just 4 p.m. You have eaten 4 times already. Chidozie, 4 times already and it's not even night. Huh? And you're telling me we'll pay for 3 weeks. Huh?
My prince, let me even ask you, why are you calculating all these things for me? Why? My prince, for Christ's sake, we have the money. We have the money. You are the prince of Amanato Kingdom. We have money to spend. These things are nothing. Moreover, their food is not even sweet. Now only package they cater for this place. A plate of food there is 3,500 naira. 3,500. Oh yes.
So you have eaten 4 plates of food At the rate of 3,500 naira each, that is not sweet.
I'm telling you.
How much is the bottled water here? It's 500 naira.
Yes.
I count 4. That is 2,000 naira. Do you know that your one meal, chukudozie, will make us a pot of soup? Do you know? Do you know? Pack your things, we're leaving. Meanwhile, take. These are the phones we're going to be using henceforth. Am I clear? We'll have to deactivate our Android phones because I'm worried that they might track us through Google, and so we cannot. I do not want them to know where we are until we are done with this mission. Do you understand?
You mean I should not chat again?
You cannot chat for now, but it will not be forever. It's just for now. So after packing, you'd have to hand me your Android phone so I can deactivate it and then we keep it. This is the one we're going to be using. Pack, we're leaving this place.
Okay, fine. Okay, let me ask you again.
What is it?
Where exactly are we going to? I want to know.
I got us a place out of toward the outskirts of town. We cannot keep staying here.
Okay, fine. But I hope, does the room have an air conditioner as a jacuzzi? Because my prince cannot stay in an ordinary room. It's not possible. No! I will not allow that to happen. It's not possible.
I agree with you. It's not possible. I got us a nice place. You'll like it. Very beautiful. Thanks, yeah. It's a massive building standing on its own. Gorgeous location. Immediately you drive in, there's a beautiful driveway towards your right. You see the fleet of cars that we're going to be using. Wait for it. Now, what's most intriguing about this place is that it has a swimming pool in the center of the living room.
I trust you, my prince. I know you have eyes for good things. I trust you. Let me back my things, I trust you.
Back, and let me have your Android phone quickly.
Okay.
I'll be waiting for the outside.
Okay. Now you are talking.
Yes.